Hello, my name is Joshua Blum, and today I'll be discussing what is in our tap water and how it gets there. My sources for this are www.epa.gov, www.nrdc.org/stories/truth/about-tap, and www.newyorktimes/2017/05/04/tapwaterdrinkingwaterstudy.html. First off, I would like to talk about what is in our water and why it's important. Water is 75 to 80% of our body. It helps control our body temperature, it metabolizes our body fat, it aids in digestion, it keeps our organs lubricated, transports nutrition, and it helps flush toxins. Now that we know why water is important for our health and our life, we want to know what is in our water. The Environmental Protection Agency has ingredients for water on their website. Who knows the ingredients for water? It's hydrogen and oxygen, right? That's it. So why do we have all these ingredients at www.epa.gov? The truth is, to actually get the water from the water treatment center to your homes, is they have to regulate certain chemicals to reduce and disinfect certain contaminants. The water coming into your home is not honestly intended for ingestion of the human body, or for you cats or dog lovers. The actual percentage of consumption is less than 1%. Example, let's say I have a bottle of water. And that bottle of water, we have a clear bottle of water, and this is going to be my old galvanized pipe right here. It's a 20-year-old galvanized pipe underneath the ground, and let's say we have a clear bottle of water, purified. How am I going to get that purified water, which is representing the water treatment center, to your house? You can't. If it's going through these pipes, they have to put certain chemicals in there to disregard or to kill the contaminants in our water. So what is in our water? Fluoride, also known as sodium fluoride. They actually started putting this in our water to help with the decay of our teeth. Yet it can cause gastrointestinal problems if ingested too much, and you could look at that at EPA.gov. Asbestos is a contaminant in our water that comes from decaying cement in our water mains. If you ingest too much asbestos, it can cause liver or kidney damage. Copper is another contaminant in our water that comes from household plumbing systems and erosion of natural deposits. Yet they put copper in our water because copper is a natural algicide. They used to throw pennies in water fountains because it would kill the algae, and that's what they actually started throwing the pennies in there for, is because it killed the algae and they wouldn't have to take care of it as much. But if you drink too much copper, it can also cause liver or kidney damage or gastrointestinal distress. These are just some of the contaminants in our public water systems, yet I will discuss some other options to get viable, safe water to our home. One way to consume safe water is to use reverse osmosis. Now, bottled water is called purified water. It has to go through something called reverse osmosis. It's a filtration system that starts out by filtering using charcoal. Then it goes into the part of the reverse osmosis unit. It's actually a membrane, and the only thing that can fit through that membrane is an H2O molecule, which is 0.0001 of a micron. After it goes through that, it goes through another layer of the reverse osmosis unit, and they add minerals to the water so that it's not distilled water. Because if it didn't have any minerals in it, it would still be called distilled water. So overall, what I'm trying to inform the audience is to understand that there isn't much the government can do besides regulating our safety and using certain chemicals to disinfect the water. I want to inform the audience of all the health risks associated with drinking unsafe consumable water and other options you have.